Used electric old man for $1,000. There was no air conditioning. What should I do if it's about to die of heat in summer? Don't worry. 5 minutes will teach you low cost. With semiconductor refrigeration sheet, make a mini car air conditioner powered by 24 volts. Simple to dye. So let's start with this. Prepare 12 small 40, 80mm aluminum water tanks, 24 40 40mm semiconductor refrigeration tablets. Then the two tails are docked. Using thermally conductive silicon, the refrigeration sheet is installed on the small water tank. Take 2 more 30 centimeters long aluminum square tube as a fixed part. Punch a screw hole on each side. Fixed words. Just use the 4th gear picked up from 2 trash cans. Put the same wide plastic gasket on the bottom first, for gaps. Then go ahead and paste it just now. Fixed water tank, refrigeration, tablet. Put 6 in the center. Notice that the refrigerating side is facing up. I forgot to power on when shrinking the sticker just now. Try the quality of the refrigeration sheet and distinguish between hot and cold surfaces. After finishing, take out 2 4240mm long water tanks for the circulation of cold water. No need for thermal silicon. Just straighten it and put it on it. Then put the remaining 6 small water tanks with the refrigeration chain facing down. Stack on top of the long water tank. The middle is the same as the aluminum square tube under the bottom. Put on plastic gaskets first. Align another aluminum square tube with the 4 rods and insert it, and use nuts to fix them firmly. The wiring method of the refrigeration sheet. After connecting in pairs, connect the 2 groups in parallel, so you can put the refrigeration sheet. The 12-volt access voltage is increased to 24 volts. It also distributes the incoming current evenly. If you don't understand, please see the wiring diagram. Next, use the soft hose. Connect the 2 rows of small water tanks outside. Get 2 sets of 6-way. Install on the aluminum square pipes on both sides. Then 2 rows of water. The box is assembled into 2 main pipes. They represent the outlet and the inlet, so as to form a complete water circulating cooling system. Line part. There are currently only 2 12-volt 80-amp relays. But what if the power supply is 24 volts? Simple. We can put the touch points of the 2 relays. The long arm ends are connected. Then the output power supply. The wires connect their common terminals. And a 24-volt power cord. The positive and negative poles are connected to the normal beginning, respectively. So, a 24-volt control circuit is formed in series. It's perfect. Now, connect the cooling chip to the relay and the 24-volt power supply. Power on. Let the refrigeration sheet and the circulating water pump start. Start cooling. You can see it soon. The water tank in the middle formed a layer of snow-white frost. It's about 560 watts. Say big or small. Say small or not. It takes 1.1 degree points for a row of 2 hours. The next step is to prepare for loading. But the evaporator from the scrap station, the fan, is not very suitable. It needs to be changed a little bit, and use thermal insulation cotton to make a curved air duct. Install to the trend. Finally, the 2 most crucial mini evaporators. Stack them together, and use 4 elbows to put them in. The outlets for circulation are all masked in one direction. Then wrap it in thermal insulation cotton for him. And this is important. If the air conditioner leaks, it will be a bit wasted. Everything is ready. We come to the netties. Give him the front flap first, a trend as big as turning on an evaporator. Then install the evaporator. The fan used to blow air conditioning is installed. Fixed to the bottom of the evaporator, there happens to be a hole connected to the inside of the car, extracting air for circulation. Out of trend, use a hose to connect to the evaporator. The left and right sides of the car are connected separately. Small hoses and blinds. Of course, the air filter element of the air conditioner is also essential. Fixed to the west wind port of the fan, there is a ready-made condenser for heat dissipation. Just a little dirty. Wash it with chemicals. It's like pulling it into a new one. Front of used condenser also requires a dozen second-hand 24-volt fans. Heat dissipation after the combination is completed. Fixed to the front vent of the classic car head, the key refrigeration unit is installed next to the evaporator, on a shelf tailored to it. Connect the water pipes to the evaporator and condenser. The last step is to inject antifreeze into the pipeline. The overall installation is completed. Turn it on and try the effect. Everything looks normal from the outside. Do you feel it from the inside of the car? Ouch. It's a little cool. The operating power of all equipment, that adds up to about 600 watts. If you just turn on the air conditioner, it can be turned on for about 10 hours. Because this is a fast 60-volt, 120 amp-hour battery. At full power, there is 7.2 kilowatt-hours of electricity. The current ambient temperature is 36.4 degrees. Noisy, Pile the probes of the thermometer on the air outlet and close the door. Let it run for a while and see how much it can drop. About 15 minutes or so, it already feels cool. The trend is 20 degrees. The temperature inside the car also dropped to 27.6 degrees. Pretty perfect. So have the little friends in front of the screen learnt it? Friends with tricycles at home. You can consider the whole set of meetings.